I'm just like you, looking for a simple solution to cleaning my family's laundry without the cost of chemicals. You have to stop buying traditional laundry detergent. They are full of chemicals, hormone disruptors, and other harmful preservatives. These chemicals can irritate your skin, your eyes, your lungs. They're linked to cardiovascular issues, tissue damage, hormone disruption, and an increased risk of cancer. Who knew laundry could be so dangerous? Some of the main culprits are sodium sulfate, phosphates, formaldehyde, synthetic fragrances, and other preservatives. While these ingredients appear to be cleaning your laundry, they are a chemical cocktail. Skin is our biggest organ. It's important what we put on it. Now let's talk about a solution to this chemical circus. And please watch until the end for some natural laundry boosting tips. Making your own laundry detergent is actually really simple. Now let's get right to it. The only things that you need are a reusable jar, preferably glass, washing soda, borax, and baking soda. Optional ingredients are natural soap base, essential oils, and salt. In order to make your detergent, you need equal parts of washing soda, borax, and baking soda. In this recipe, I'm going to use 2 cups of each. Washing soda removes oil and residue. Borax is a natural mineral that acts as a water softener and natural disinfectant. Baking soda neutralizes odors and boosts cleaning power while softening fabrics and removing stains. As for the optional ingredients, shaving some soap flakes into the mix adds additional cleaning power. Essential oils is a natural scent booster. Lavender is my favorite. Fine salt is a color booster that also acts as a natural fabric softener. Mix all the ingredients together to get your own homemade natural laundry detergent without the chemical circus. It's simple to use. Just use 1 to 2 tablespoons sprinkled all over your laundry, depending on the soil amount, and your laundry will be clean without the cost of putting chemicals all over your clothes. If you have any particular lingering odors, another great tip is to add some vinegar into the softener part of your washer. And the reason why it's important that you put it in the softener part of your washer is because if you put it right into the laundry, the vinegar will actually neutralize with the baking soda and they'll cancel each other out. So you're going to get the best value of the vinegar by putting it in that softener section of your washer. Another great tip is to hang your laundry in the sun if weather permits. The sun will brighten, whiten, and disinfect your laundry. I'm on a mission to reduce the chemical exposure to my family and I. I'll be making simple videos along the way about my discoveries. See you next time.